I am not the financial advisor or anything like that. I am not registered person with SEBI or anything like that. What I'm showing is today is webinar, and henceforth is everything is going to be educational purpose only. So you have to rely on registered person to get to know your financial status or advice. Okay, is everyone clear on this? Disclaimer. Shall I go? Shall I proceed next? So most of them know me, right? Is there any new member that you're first time seeing my presentation? Or do you want me to introduce myself? As any new member is out there? No need, Raj. Okay, that's good. Let's skip the part and move on to the zone momentum strategy builder or momentum zone strategy builder, whatever you call it. This is it. Okay. Let's start the ball rolling. Okay. So as I told you, this is a revolutionary trading platform. It's not a platform, it's a kind of builder on top of sitting on a trading view. Okay. You need to have a trading view, some kind of paid versions. Free version is not possible. You cannot build this anything with the free version. Okay. So why we are choosing trading view, I'll show you in a minute or in the end of the session why we are sticking with the trading view, why that is important, and not to go with any third party vendor to build the strategies, why you have to build everything in a trading view alone. So let me explain that in a later part, but that's very important. But before begin, I'll tell you this is not suitable for those who are using trading view free versions. Okay, you have to have a minimum some kind of paid versions, then it will work. Okay, is that clear? So basically, you can create unlimited custom-based momentum strategies, build, test, and deploy a data-driven approach tailored to your. So, how many of you think that a single strategy, single size fit for all? Have you heard it right? Have you heard it before? Single, single size fit for everything, or fit for all? No way, right? Yes, exactly. It's no way, right? So you have to create multiple things to make it work, right? So that's the reason we released portfolio based strategies of Super Trend Portfolio. TSV3 Advance has have more than 8 strategies. Super Trend Portfolio have 8 strategies. These are customly picked and back tested and shared with the public. Okay, I mean with the members. But in this presentation, I'm going to show you that you can create unlimited n number of combinations. Okay, that is I think more than 1,000 or 800 or any number of strategies that you can create. Okay, and we're going to add more and to that in later part. Okay, so you get the clear pictures. This is a momentum zone strategy builder. It's not a strategy. You can create a n number of strategy with this. Is that clear? Very first thing that I wanted to make sure everyone clear. I'm not going to study. I'm not going to say go. You have to buy this MACD cross, RSI cross, then above candle breakout, buy, then stop loss here, take profit here. No, that is not. I'm not going to say this. You're going to build this. Okay, you're going to build a strategy without any coding. You don't have to do. You don't have to have any coding knowledge too. Clear? Right. So beyond single strategy, as I told you, this is a strategy ecosystem, not rigid, one size fits all solution. It's not at all such a solution. So it's a complete framework for building diverse trading strategies. What I mean a complete framework, this is a custom, our own framework. Okay. See any, let me change this guy to this one. Okay. Any trading platform, how many of indicators that you see? Any trading platform, how many indicators you typically see? 100, 150, 150, 200 indicators, right? It's kind of throwing into the jungle, right? You don't know which one works, so you don't know how it can be used for a profitable trading strategy. Then you have to have at least a decade of experience to put together, and then you figured out one or two indicator, and then you try to reuse them and for entire your life. That's how it works, right? Typically. Do you understand what I'm saying? So the typical trading platform are more than 100 or 200, 300 trading indicators, but none of them we don't know how long this indicators been available. Is it sustainable? Or is this indicator works on bear market? Is this indicator works on bull market? Is this work on range bound market? We don't know. So we have to go through this, test ourselves. By the time 3 4 years will go away, and to know this in and out of the indicator by the time you already crossed 1 decade. This is true. I have gone through that phases. Okay, so I wanted to cut through that phases, and I wanted to give it to you the directly, very right from the moment get-go you want to start building the strategies. So I'll have a lot of promises by end of this presentation. Let's hang it. I mean, just to hang it, I will go through the each slides. Okay. Unlimited variations. So you create countless strategies combination. I cannot count it. At least 200 strategies, 100 strategies you can create. 100, not just a number. Profitable strategies and high probability strategies. Okay. Each one is unique to your specific. You have a lot of creativity. You can create a number of strategies. Flexible configurations, changes in the market, evaluated strategies and conditions and shifts. Okay. So far, okay, this is a tool that I'm going to show you, and it is a custom made framework. It's based on our 10 rooster research and development. So within a drag and drop, you can build as much as strategies you wish. You can connect to your broker. Isn't that cool? All right. What happened to, once again, guys? Something happened to, yeah, I'm into this. Okay. Okay, modular strategy. So, which means that select a time frame. You're going to select the higher time frame, first layer time frame, second layer time frame, and set parameters. Deploy strategy. You remember our TSV3, right? How many of you guys knows the TSV3? TSV3 old version, the very first old version. Um, so, how many time frame we used in that? So we trade in 5 minutes time frame. We look for momentum in a 30 minutes time frame, and pull back in a 15 minutes time frame, and confirmations or something, and the fractal breakout. Lot of things are, and mechanical things are working out, right? So same thing, like you can choose here in a higher time frame and second level time frame, and set a parameter. Choose the filters that you wanted to apply. Those filters are trial and tested for in our 10 rooster research and development. Okay, which means you're not looking for 250 indicators or anything like that. We will only put those whatever things works in our conditions, and especially for Indian markets. Okay, so there are many things works in other markets like forex market, but many of things are not work in Indian markets. So whatever the builders that you see, those are things will work in Indian market very well, as well as Bitcoin, as well as gold, as well as silver, or US stocks, or US indices. Pretty much, everything. Okay. So basically, you're going to select the time frame, you're going to select the filters, you're going to choose the parameters, and then you're going to deploy it. That's it. As simple as that. Clear? Shall I move on next? So, what are the filters that are available? People may there are multiple momentum oscillators filters are available, and the 10 confirmation filters like EMAs and Ichimoku, something like that. Timing indicators, if you prefer 920 you want to enter, or 315 to be exited. timing based exit indicators, entry indicators are available. Volatility measures were slowly we're adding into that. So everything is available for anything anyone is looking for momentum based strategies. Okay. So as I told you, this is very much flexible, and you can start from minute, hours, day, weekly, anything you can time frame choose and can build. You want to create a 5 minute strategy is very much possible. You want to create 15 minutes momentum strategy, very much possible. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, even daily, 4 hour, any time frame of the strategies that you wanted to create, it's very much possible. Okay. So it's very much flexible because you're going to create, I'm not going to give anything. I'm going to give you that framework and tools and training program and videos, tutorials and support. That is fair enough for you to succeed. Am I right? It's all your creativity, right? Do you get the point so far? I'm going to give a tool and you're going to build your own strategies. I am not going to spill the beans here. But I'm going to give you what? Framework. All right. I mean, it's pretty much data driven strategy, validated 98% backtesting accuracy, 1,000 plus scenarios. There are more than 15 plus performance metrics. You can do whatever things you can do with it. Why? What I mean, 98 percentage accuracy. Okay, so I mean, I did not put 100% because nothing in the world is 100%. That's the reason. Why I put 98% because this is as much as closest to the 100%. That's the reason 98. Okay, whatever you see in a trading view backtest is basically replicable. Okay, how many of you guys are wondering if you built this directly in directly Tradetron or Quantman or any other algo platform directly some strategy, backtests will be looking good, but real trades are doing something else. Our real trades don't match with backtest. How many of you guys had faced it? I mean, let me be honest, guys. Have you faced this kind of issues before? Your backtesting platform shows you proper entry exits and all, but real trades won't show everything. Or real trades will not be replicated in backtest results. That is because both are different, right? I mean, their platforms are different, their data vendors are different, and your brokers are totally different. That's the reason there is a two silos basically. Okay, basically the Quantman, maybe a Tradetron or anything. This is separate silos, and your broker things is totally different. Okay, here we make it everything into one single silos. Basically, that is based on trading view. We are directly sending the signals. Okay, we are directly sending the signals. That's it. Nothing else. The Quantman thing or any other platform, Algo Bridge, Algo Tester, Algo Backtesters, Algo, builders. Those things are totally different because they have their own data, right? Which is not useful. What you see in a trading view, what you get it, right? Basically, it's a tradable, right? In a trading view, what do you see in a chart is a tradable, right? Are you agree or not? So what do you see in a trading view backtest? It's supposed to be in 100% perfect for any glitches or anything what you see because when you see the some other platform like one man Tradetron or they do it their own data vendor platform. They have errors with it, timing exit, a lot of issues with it, and then they pushed with the your broker. They have their own data feed which is totally different, and there is a conflict between backtest and the real result. So it is not reliable at all. Okay, that I wanted to highlight here. If you are still backtesting with the Quantman or hey, I'm not against Quantman or Tradetron anything like that, but I'm saying that this happens, okay, because their data vendor is totally different. You get it right, and their data is totally different. What do you see in trading view is directly tradable. Okay, is that clear? Data driven strategy validation. Shall I move on? Okay, user experience. As I told you, click and build. Visually, you can drag and drop, configure, and zero coding knowledge, visual configuration, adjust parameter with intuitive controls and immediate feedbacks. Immediately, the test result will be available by clicking the button. Okay. So the strategy perform update as you make changes. Yes. Whenever you make changes, the strategy will be automatically updated. And then click if you want a deep strategy, then update it directly. Okay. Yeah, user experience interface, visual configuration, real time. Okay, that's cool. Let's start the real thing. Whatever you have seen since previous slide, everything was a general idea about the builder. Let's now we are deep diving into the what is it inside the builder. Okay, so inside the builder there are only two things that are available. One is two things are available. The first one is you have to select long only or short only. Okay, you cannot do the both of things. How many of you guys think that market is symmetric? Do you understand my question? How many of you guys are thinking that market is symmetric? Whatever long strategy can be applicable for shorting also. Do you guys thinking like the same way? No, it is not. Market is not symmetric. You have to build a short strategy separately. It's not long strategy mirroring all the signals, all the things. You become a short strategy. No, are you thinking such a way that I think I have to create a separate webinar for that? Market is not symmetric, not at all symmetric. You understand, right? So far. So once you have the builder, you have to choose that long only strategy or start only or short only strategies. So let's pick example long only. Focus on exclusive on buying opportunities, which means can be a buying a call option, buying a future, buying a stock, buying a Bitcoin. It doesn't matter whatever your asset that you're choosing it. Okay, because it's capturing the upward momentum and rising market condition, ideal for bull market traders performing, not to short sellers. Okay, so basically most of the time indices like a Nifty and any other major matured market, typically the economically designed to go inside 30-degree slope or 45 30 to 45-degree slope. Okay, and not to design this way. If this is market is going, then the entire economy will collapse, the country will collapse, and everyone lose the jobs, and it will become a totally nightmare. Okay, so there are short selling opportunities. There are markets are available where you can create a design short only strategies. The very first thing is, so in the builder you will be choosing in a drop down menu whether you have to choose long only strategy or short only strategy. Is that clear? So after choosing that, you have to select after selecting your trade type, further refine momentum. So first you have to choose which type of trade you want to choose. Then after that you are going to apply the filters. Okay, what are the filters? This is the primary layer filters, primary momentum zone filters. Okay, what are the filters that are available with this with trend booster momentum zone filters? The very first one is the EMA zone. And you know that the EMA is the exponential moving average, which is closest to the price, and it is hugs the price very clearly, and it's not lagging. Okay, and we are also using two time frame. Okay, each zones we can customize two time frames, which means EMA zone, and then there is a Ichimoku zone, which is a trend filter. EMA zone is a trend filter. Momentum zone is a higher time frame momentum zone. You can add it. Stochastic zone is a combination of both momentum as well as the trend. Okay, stochastic. If you look at it, most of the people will stochastic. They use it as a kind of oversold, overbought kind of area. We customized such a way that it is a momentum and trend zone indicator. Okay, clear? So how many filters you're going to get? Four. Anyone have a doubt with this? Right. So each filter including customizable parameter to match specific trading style and time frame preference. Okay. All right. Once you choose the time frame and then this example Ichimoku or momentum zone, you can customize it. Then you're going for the secondary layer. Okay. So basically, that's a primary filter which is chosen. Then you're going for example, this could be at a daily time frame. This could be a 15 minutes time frame. Okay, 15 minutes you can choose it the same four filters or additional momentum filters. Okay, so once you have selected this, then you can have, you will have other type of trading variables. So other secondary layer of momentum. So we have a three speeds. You remember that in TSP3 we have a three speeds of MACD momentum. You guys remember it, right? Fast speed, medium speed, and slow speed. Such a way that you can configure. Over there, it is kind of prefixed. Okay, in our here it is not prefixed. I mean, it is very much customizable. You can customize it. Okay, we know few settings, but that can be shared in via our Telegram group. Okay, apply this confirmation. It's up to you. You guys wanted to add additional layer of momentum. You are good with the initial layer of momentum, then yeah, that's fair enough. Okay, it's all up to your creativity, guys. I'm giving you that framework. Okay, you're going to choose this momentum filters and then apply this confirmation filter on higher time frame, validate the primary zone filter, and this is a secondary filters. Okay, once you're done with that, this alone is enough to generate profitable trades. Okay, so we have two things are available: trade the zone. Okay, then trade the zone, which means whatever the zone that you created, from the zone we will be creating from A point to B point. Okay, trade within the zone means this is a zone. For example, this is a profitable zones that you marked it, and within the zone, what happens is that we only skim the layer of the profitable trades. Okay, this is how it works. I know it is looks like a lot of many things are going around, too much overwhelming with the parameters. Many things are going around. Later, I'll show you that the screenshots. It'll be easy for you guys. Okay. So after that, you're going. What you can do is that there is a advanced trigger options. You have a momentum trend is primary trend, primary zones are created, secondary layers are created. Now we have a stochastic trigger, time-based trigger. You can also combine both. Very much we can do with that. So with this combination alone, you can create at least 200, 300 strategies, and all of them are most likely profitable because whatever we chose this one, right? This is actually highly profitable, and we have tested at least 15 plus markets, and all of them are majority of the time are profitable. Okay, and when you apply with this kind of filters, like this filters, this zones filters, and all of them are most of them majority of them are profitables. So that's the reason this is our framework. That's the reason we are not adding into the new indicators or anything like that. We are trial and tested our own research and development. We have added the indicators. So Ichimoku zone means this is our own custom based Ichimoku, not just one indicator. Combination of Ichimoku and momentums are included. Okay, clear the have you got the idea of the importance? Okay, right. And then after obviously you have to select and then click the alert. Based on trading view alert, you can create a custom alert and then push the alert to webhook or whatever you wish for. You can configure trading alert to telegram, or trading alert to WhatsApp message, trading view alert to your broker. It's very much possible that you can with the alert you can configure anything, right? A lot of things are available, right? With the alert, you can buy a call option. With the alert, you can sell a bear put spread. With the alert, you can sell, you can buy a bull call spread. With the alert, you can buy a future. With the alert, you can buy a stock options or anything you can do with that. Okay, so highly configurable. Okay, I'm almost about to complete my presentation, but so far you guys are understanding, right? This is a tool and it's a builder and a custom based builder. There is a drag and drop options where you can choose yourself and then build it, right? Clear? Okay. And it's not something like I'm going to throw away and anything like that. It is 100% money back guarantee. We stand behind our product with the risk free trial, no questions asked. If you once you purchased it or anything, and within a 7 days if you cannot make any profitable strategy out of it, then you are qualified for money back guarantee. Are you thrilled with this offer? No. I mean, how many of you thrilled? I mean, this is 100% money back guarantee. We'll refund for it. Okay, and the amount is going to be very. I mean, almost everyone can acceptable amount. The before going to them revealing the price, let me go back to a trading view. Do you guys see a trading view now? Okay, so this is something like trading view. What you see is that this too is just to represent something, but this is a zone that I'm talking about. Okay, so you can trade like a zone from here to here or from here to here. This is all possible. This is a two thing I told you, right? Uh, Trade the zone or trade within the zone. Okay, is that clear? I think this configuration is a trade within the zone. Let me check. Okay, give me a minute. Yeah, if I let me give you the best examples. Yeah, a lot of the examples are out there. Okay, let me. Uh, if you look at that zone is created from here to all the way to here. If you have created this entry from here to here, you would have got some kind of heat, and you would have captured how much is 508 points, 508 points actually. Okay, but with this trade within the zone, we have actually the skim of the layer. uh, it is from here to here only, and it started something but it's a loss. That's okay, but this alone is a big one, right? This is trade within the zone. Do you understand that both the difference? You can do both: trade the zone, trade within the zone. Do you understand? Is something a aha moment or some kind of clarity that you're seeing? No? This one is a loss for sure, but there is no holy grail. But yeah, let's look at the strategy, how this could have been performed, because you can customize this any number of strategies. I just thrown it. I mean, let's see how this. Yeah, 16,000 points, 648, all the way from 2011 till 2005. Later last month, kind of slight drawdown, but yeah, seeing the drawdown, this drawdown is not that big. Okay, it will recover. So you want to see the strategy in right now in Nifty? What happened to this to Bank Nifty or let me check S&P 500? Okay, I really did not check it, but I'm just checking it. I want to know how this S&P 500 could have worked it. So the trade within the zone. Okay, and we're not buying here, selling here. Okay, that could have been flat, but buying here, selling here within the zone could have been made a profitable, right? So let's see how this S&P 500, the same strategy could have worked. Profitable, there are a lot of drawdown. With the tweak, you can make it a much more reliable trading strategy. You see that, right? XA, UST, we can see gold M. Okay, you're talking about forex pairs, I guess. So the gold, you see, obviously it's profitable, guys. I mean, what do you want me to say? I mean, buy here, sell here. I mean, what do you want me to do? This is just a one configuration, right? Bitcoin, okay, yeah, why not? Bit. So this is the flexibility. If you are doing this with example like Tradetron or like Quantman or any other you don't have a flexibility whether the strategy really making sense or not. There are strategy that is designed for only particular asset, which means it's a curve fit, right? This is not curve fit. It works in gold market. It works in S&P 500. If this works in Bitcoin, then what is it? What is this? It's a robust strategy, right? Do you get the idea? If the strategy works in Bank Nifty, if the strategy works in Nifty, the strategy works in gold, if strategy works in S&P 500, any asset that works and performing, then it's a robust strategy. Am I right? Let's look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, which one you want to choose? I see market. I mean, what do you guys think of this? Is it profitable or not profitable? This one is loss. This could have been a loss. This is a huge profit. This is a minor loss. Yep. There's a long only. But look at this. There's a long only designed. Okay, let's look at the strategy. Okay, data is available since 2017 only. I don't know the result. Let me check. Even if it is not profitable, you can customize it and change to profitable strategies. That's the flexibility you have, right? Yeah, it is profitable. There is a drawdown, but yeah, it is profitable, right? We can change that moment instead of momentum. We can add a EMA filter. We can have this momentum along with it. We don't want it to be this one. We want it to be day trading. Then add a time filter to 920 to exit something. Lot of flexibility available to make it work for you, right? How are the zone marked through the code? Is it? Yes, I'm not doing anything. It is basically based on your configurations that you did. Uh, Whether it is EMA zone, Ichimoku zone, momentum zone, two time frame that you chose it. Based on this four available zones that is marking it into this kind of zones. So we're not trading here. We're trading only high probability zones. So this is a Bitcoin. Let's go to Nifty or something else. Even yeah, super good, right? So far I've been showing a 5 minute strategy. This can be adapted to 15-minute strategy. This can be adapted to 30-minute strategy, 1 hour strategy, or even 2 hours, 4 hours, even daily time frame. How cool is this? So your let me tell you this concept that why I came up with this kind of idea. So you remember that any stocks place for please 1 hour because I had not designed it. It's your idea, right? You can trial it, test it yourself. Any momentum stocks. Which is a momentum stock you guys are thinking? BEL. BEL I think is a very good momentum stock. Yeah, it is profitable. Let's see. HDFC these days, how many years? Yeah, it is profitable. So far, 285 or something, it is made 161 points. Okay. So let me explain you the concept. Okay. So basically, my mentor, one of my mentor is, Andrea Unger. I met him in, one of our trade conference as well as a personal one-on-one with him in Australia. Okay. Melbourne conference. So where he revealed the strategy that gold strategy based on gold trading strategy that what he does is Basically he looks for clues which hours is gold is most likely profitable. Okay, then he put that into basically histogram. So with this highest histogram, this hour, maybe 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, gold is always profitable. Then he create the strategy within 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Okay, so that the higher probability of winning is more. So your basically the entry condition is somewhere here. Okay, so the entry condition somewhere here to here only. Okay, you are not trading the zone to zone, but within the zone alone is profitable. The zone alone is maybe higher profitable. And once within the zone you wanted to check the creamy layer of the profitable move, it is much more profitable. You get the idea, right? It's so far haywire, is it? Even after showing this. So this is our research and development, and it works very well. And you can customize it because I'm not going to spill the means anything here. I'm giving you the framework. I'm giving you the opportunities for you to become independent. You create your own strategies and start trading it yourself. Okay. Only thing I'm going to ask you later on: do not reveal your strategies to elsewhere. Okay, that's all. You guys will do it, right? I mean, so far I've been showing 5 minutes, but it can be modified to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour trading strategy, 3 hours trading strategy, whatever the time frame that you see, except monthly. Okay, because except monthly and weekly, because we need a higher time frame to filter out the noises. If you are trading weekly, the weekly momentum, then no, we have only higher time frame monthly. Okay, which is not suitable for us, right? To filter out. So if you are trading daily, then we have weekly, monthly to filter out something like momentum based on weekly, momentum based on trend based on monthly. Then we can filter out. If you are trading 4 hours, then we have a three time frame to filter out. We are trading 1 hour, then all these trading time frames are available to filter out. If you're trading 5 minutes, then all this time frame to filter out. Don't go beyond this. Okay, 3 minutes it's okay to have, but don't go 1 minute, 2 minute, and all too much. You will be paying a lot of amounts to broker and government. There will be a lot of profitable, but not you. Okay. Any questions? I think I've completed the presentation, but I have to reveal the price. And I mentioned you right. So it's 100% money back guarantee within a 7 days. If you can't create any profitable strategies, then you are qualified for to ask for refund. Okay, we are upfront with it, 100% transparent. You're going to build the strategies, not me. I'm going to give you the tool and the framework and the training program and support. How to change the parameters? Okay, obviously you have to click this settings and then change the parameters. Now I'm not going to click it because this is a webinar, not to give a tutorial. Okay, if I click it, it will become exposed and I have to give a tutorial then. Okay, why? Is it clear? So 100% money back guarantee. So you want to know the price? It's pretty simple price, and I don't want it to be thrown away or anything like that. Its price is transform your trading with our momentum strategy builder for 1,000 rupees, basically 1,000 rupees per month Telegram community where we will be having everything. So instant access, get immediate instant access, complete strategy builder and filter library, and you have a risk-free 7 days money-back guarantee to peace of mind. So where you can get the link. So not this here. I'll post the link in the chat box. If you wish to sign up, go ahead and sign up. Did I get the chat box link? Did you see the chat box link? Yes, that's it. So 1,000 rupees is just a three biryani or two biryani, right? What do you think of this price? And the unlimited strategies that you can think of. Unlimited strategies, and you're going to get a 10 users tutorial. So just one cinema ticket with the family or with the friends or a couple of biryani cost. So you're going to get a profitable framework and a tool that you can think of. Compared to that is totally different. You should not compare it. Okay, that is carefully corrugated, and I gave you that idea, and that I gave you that SPTP. Okay, this is something like 1,000 rupees. Go ahead and sign up, and see you guys inside the course Telegram group, where I'll be posting all the tutorial videos and then access. No, it's not lifetime access, right? It's per month, 1,000 rupees per month till the month end. I mean, whenever you join, automatically you will have access. Okay. So every month, how many months you're going to keep it, it's all up to you. Once you are familiar with it, that's fair enough, right? I mean, you can create your own builder, or you can create a strategies, or within a few trades, you can make at least a couple of months of profitable or payment. Uh, so far, people are when I posted so far. Lifetime subscriptions with like SPTP or you know TS3 advance. Everyone were asking for, sir, give us a trial and give us a money back guarantee, give us a monthly subscription. That is why I gave it, I came up with this plan and shared it. Now you guys are asking, one or two guys are asking yearly subscription, and obviously yearly subscription will be 12K, right? Even 12K yearly subscription is dead cheap when compared to this. This. Think about your learning lot of things with this builder. You know which one is working, and you're going to place a trade based on the momentum. It's going to filter out all the noises out there, whether it is Trump who is making mistakes, or China is making mistakes, or global wars are making mistakes. No, all you're going to do with this, wherever the momentum goes, you're going to go with that. Is that clear? So I don't know this any of the strategies, or does this momentum Trump knows this? No, we don't know. The momentum started, then it started looking for momentum, placing the zones automatically, and then start trading inside the zone. Or you want to trade the zone, that is also possible, right? So I have posted the link. Go ahead and if you're it is a subscription for Telegram group only. Okay, so where I'll be posting all the videos link where you can watch it yourself, right? And then I'll be giving you access to the Telegram. But you have to have some kind of paid versions to backtest yourself. See, I have a premium version. I think I can backtest all the way to 2000, wherever the market available, like till 2009. Nifty, we have a data. So I typically go till 2011 and go ahead, I'll backtest it. But like a plus version, trading view plus, or basic plus, or pro version, they may have a 5 years data or something like that. Okay, I don't have a exact number or the exact year how many days they have, but you can go back and check yourself how many years of backtest data they have. So premium version, they have a lot of all the way to 2009. Clear? So you're going to build a strategies, your creativity, it's going to enhance your performance. I'm not going to, I'm going to support it. I'm going to explain, okay, do this filter instead of that, add this filter instead of, remove this filter instead of that, add a timing filter here. So if anyone asks this kind of help, I'll explain to you in a Telegram group. But I can't give you the strategy. I cannot create the strategies because you're going to create your own strategy. Clear, guys? I think we are done for this today's webinar. Hope you learned something. There is a builder available where you can build yourself. I showed you sample strategies. You can build it right now. Based on this, I can build at least 3 or 4 strategies easily. Okay, clear, guys? See you guys inside the Telegram group. So it's only tool that you use to. So it is only tool that used to build our own strategies, right? Exactly. I mean, what is the doubt? So far, last 45 minutes, I've been saying the same thing. It is a tool and a training. Okay, without a training is not possible with the tool, right? How this framework is constructed, how you can layer the multiple layer of momentums to in order to be high probability setup. These are the things that are covered in the training program. Okay. Anything else? Separate Telegram group will be there. The Telegram group subscription is automatically managed by the Graphy, not me. Okay. Any last day to take the subscription? It's not something like that. Anytime you can subscribe. I already launched it. Today's the webinar is I already launched it. I can see you on if you signed up, then maybe I'll see you and post you some videos. You can watch it in the weekend and start trading or from Tuesday onwards, or start building the strategies on Tuesday onwards. Based on that, you can start building it. Start a paper trade yourself, or put it in a live trade, a small amount, anything you can do with it. Any other paid tool that we need to purchase and does need to on screen and time? No, we have to connect this with the Algo Bridge. Any Algo Bridge like Tradetron, or you can connect directly with Dun or Fire's broker. They can connect with the broker, right? If you see that alert, you can configure alert. Okay. If you go back here and add alert, right? So you can create alert. It's automatically showing that zone momentum alert long only every configuration. So we'll tell you that which one to be configured here, and open-ended alert. So this will place automatically. Maybe you have connected to trade run, that can be configured to your own broker with the 5 years link, or then broker, then that will be, or you are connecting with the Quantman, or you're connecting with some other API vendor, Algo Bridge. That's very much possible. The options are endless. Okay. You need to have some kind of paid version of trading view so that you can backtest, you can rely on your because you're going to build it. I'm not going to build it. Okay. I'm going to give you a framework. I'm going to give you tool. I'm going to give you training. Based on your own creativity, you're going to build it. Okay. N number of strategies, doesn't matter. Could be 5 strategies, 5 minutes, 3 strategies, 10 minutes, 2 strategies, 15 minutes, 1 strategy, 1 hour, 3 strategies. It's all your creativity. Okay. That's all, folks. Hope you learned something. Something is available. So if you're interested, go ahead and sign up, and see you guys inside. Okay. Bye for now. Thanks for your time. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.